U.S. stocks are heading higher as Secretary of Treasury successor Janet Yellen is confirming a need for stimulus as she testifies at the Senate today. Let's check out what's happening in the Forex, where we are seeing some action in the euro dollar. Long positions are favored there above 121. Targets at 121.45 and 121.65 in extension. The pound's upside prevails, as well as the dollar yen. Checking into Bitcoin today, we are seeing some upside prevail as long as 36,246 is support. Look for 39,145. Tuning in to silver today as our precious metals focus. We are seeing some resistance there. Short positions below 25.40 favored. Targets at 24.90 and 24.70 in extension. Follow Trading Central on Twitter for all of your Forex market updates. For Trading Central Web TV, I'm Olivia Vaz.